Hey there, beauty lovers! Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a product that promises to take your lips to the next level of hydration and color. KIKO Milano 3D Hydra Lip Stylo in the shade 3 Tea Time. This nourishing lipstick combines smooth application with intense moisture and color payoff, all in one sleek package. Let's dive into what this product really has to offer. First off, KIKO Milano is known for making high-quality, affordable beauty products, and the 3D Hydra Lip Stylo is no exception. This lipstick comes in a stick form, designed to glide effortlessly over the lips while delivering a nourishing effect. The star ingredient in this formula? It's all about hydration, which makes this lipstick a great choice if you're looking to pamper your lips throughout the day. The 3 Tea Time shade is a beautiful, versatile tone that's perfect for a natural yet elevated look. It's not too bold, but still adds enough color to make your lips pop without feeling overdone. Whether you're heading to work, brunch, or an evening out, it's one of those shades that can fit a variety of occasions. The texture is buttery smooth, almost like a balm, which makes it incredibly comfortable to wear. There's no tugging, and it doesn't feel heavy or cakey at all. Just light, breathable, and nourishing. I've had the chance to wear this product for a few days, and I found that it's pretty low maintenance in terms of application. It's easy to throw on without a mirror, which is a huge bonus for those busy mornings. It also feels incredibly comfortable on the lips. No dryness, no cracking. The hydration factor is real, which is not something you always find with pigmented lipsticks. However, like most lipsticks, it doesn't last through a full meal. So, if you're looking for something that's going to stick around through lunch and dinner, this might not be your best bet. But for a quick pick-me-up, or if you're not too worried about reapplying, this is a great option. Now let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the KIKO Milano 3D Hydra Lip Stylo is a solid choice. It delivers hydration, a lovely shade, and comfort without the premium price tag. There are definitely higher-end alternatives that may last longer or offer more intense color payoff. But if you're on a budget and want a product that will keep your lips feeling nourished and looking pretty, this is an excellent option. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek and practical. It's not the most luxurious feeling lipstick I've ever used, but it's sturdy and functional. You're not getting a heavy, fancy metal tube, but it's definitely portable and does the job. As for longevity, the lipstick itself is built to withstand daily use without any issues though. As mentioned, it may need to be reapplied after meals. Now, if you're someone who leans more towards long-lasting lipsticks that you can set and forget, this product might not hit the mark for you. But if hydration and a smooth, lightweight texture are more important in your beauty routine, it's a winner. Plus, if you find this one isn't your perfect match, KIKO has a wide range of shades to explore. For those who want to spend less, but still want hydration and comfort, there are a few drugstore options that come close. Maybelline's Color Sensational Shine Compulsion Lipstick, for example, offers similar comfort and hydration at a comparable price, though the pigmentation may not be as rich. To wrap things up, the KIKO Milano 3D Hydra Lip Stylo in 3 Tea Time is a fantastic option for those who prioritize comfort and hydration over long-lasting wear. If you're looking for something that will give you a natural, nourished lip look without the heavy feel of matte formulas, this is a great product to consider. If review helped you, is this so? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase the product in the description box. If you've tried this lip stylo, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts, and if you have a favorite shade. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.